In 2026, new research from RZIV 2605 02914V1 uncovered a critical vulnerability in agentic AI systems, a flaw that could undermine the $1.7 trillion market projected for AI by 2030. This isn't about malicious attacks or flawed code. It's about a fundamental breakdown in safety, even when everything appears to be working correctly. The core problem lies in what researchers call safety geometry collapse. Imagine an AI guard model, like Llama Guard or Wild Guard, designed to be the digital sentry, ensuring the AI operates within safe parameters. These models are fine-tuned on vast amounts of data, meticulously curated to teach them what is acceptable and what is not. The assumption has always been that if you train these guard models on entirely benign, safe data, they will remain safe. But the research proves this assumption fundamentally mistaken. Standard domain specialization, the very process of making an AI better at a specific task, can inadvertently erase its safety alignment. This isn't about an adversarial attack, where someone tries to break the system. It's a natural consequence of fine-tuning. When a guard model is specialized, say, to identify specific types of industry-related content, its broader understanding of safety can degrade. It becomes highly effective in its narrow domain, but catastrophically vulnerable outside of it. The paper demonstrated this failure across 3 leading safety classifiers: Llama Guard, Wild Guard, and Granite Guardian. Each, when fine-tuned for specific benign tasks, lost its general safety alignment. This means a guard model intended to protect can become a silent vulnerability, opening the door for unintended, unsafe behaviors. For businesses deploying agentic AI in high-stakes environments, from financial trading to autonomous systems, this presents a staggering risk. A system designed to make billions might suddenly expose the company to billions in liability, not because of a flaw in its core task, but because its guardrails silently vanished. Consider an AI agent managing supply chains. Fine-tuned to optimize logistics, its safety guard model might lose its ability to flag ethical sourcing concerns or environmental risks. The business gains efficiency, but unknowingly inherits massive reputational and regulatory exposure. The implications for the projected $1.7 trillion AI market are profound. If the very mechanisms meant to ensure AI safety can fail through normal operational processes, then the foundational trust in these systems is compromised. The economic value of AI is directly tied to its reliability and safety. So what does this mean for you, whether you're building, buying, or deploying AI? Here's what to do with this information. First, demand transparency and fine-tuning. If you're using or developing agentic AI, ask your providers or engineering teams for a clear audit trail of all fine-tuning operations on guard models. Understand the specific datasets used and the domain specialization applied. Don't assume benign data equals lasting safety. Second, implement continuous, diverse safety evaluations. Relying on initial safety alignment is insufficient. Schedule regular, independent audits using broad, out-of-domain test cases, not just those aligned with the AI's specialized function. Tools like Llama Guard, Wild Guard, or Granite Guardian need ongoing scrutiny beyond their initial deployment. Third, consider multi-layered, redundant guard models. Instead of a single, highly specialized guard, deploy several, each fine-tuned for different aspects of safety or using different foundational models. If one layer collapses, others can still provide a safety net. This redundancy is critical for high-stakes applications. The single strongest takeaway: never treat AI safety as a set-and-forget problem. The safety geometry collapse demonstrates that even with the best intentions and benign data, Fine-tuning can silently erode your AI's protective layers. Regular, independent, and diverse safety reevaluation is not optional. It's the cost of entry for reliable AI in the multi-trillion-dollar economy.